Good afternoon, folks. We are at the Mystic Lake Casino Hotel. In Prior Lake, Minnesota. To get into this venue, you're going to want to take exit 112 off of Route 169. You will follow Mystic Lake Drive, follow it south, and you will come to Dakota Parkway. You'll turn west on Dakota Parkway, and from there follow the service entrance signs for deliveries to the casino here. And to go on here, you find yourself coming out into this parking area here. Let me turn the camera around, show you. You end up coming into this employee parking area here. And you can see we have our trucks parked on the side here. Now that our load-in is done, deliveries will go into this dock. The venue access is really an odd duck. It's this door on the building at a 45-degree angle to everything else in here. You can see our trailers backed up to the dock, and they're using a box truck, basically. A box truck box on a scissor lift, and the scissor lift raises it to that door up above, and that is how you are loading into the venue here at Mystic Lake Casino Hotel. It is definitely a odd duck compared to a lot of deliveries. So with that being said, let's get on to something a little more interesting, like some drone footage of flying around overhead. If you like my video, subscribe, click like, share with your friends, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think.